Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your speaker Sony ULT FIELD 7. You have to start by open Sony Music Center application, and if you add your speaker to the application, you will see this menu. Now, if your update is available, you will see the same line right here, that update available. And you need to click more info. Now, connect your speaker to the power. And then click OK. Now, don't use your speaker, just wait until this update is finished, and I will skip a time for you. Now, click OK. And after that, turn on your speaker. Now tap on it. And we did it! As you can see, software update complete. Click OK. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!